Hello. So this is just going to be a short video to show off some SubAligner updates. So let's make this go away, and then we don't really need to see me. So here we are in SubAligner. We're going to run an alignment, and I'm just moving through quickly because I want to get to the new filters pop-up. So when you click on this icon here in the app, it opens some potential filters that you could try. And the big change is that I got an email from one person who said, hey, I want the list of filters to be easier to read. It used to just be a big block of text, and it was really hard to read. And so now it is in an organized list here. So we've got, output channel, the type of filter, filter order, frequency, the queue if necessary, the gain, delay, polarity, level, and bandwidth. So that's one thing. It's now a lot easier to read, so you can sort of scan through here quickly for something that you're looking for. And the other thing is that there's a search now, so it won't be very good on this example because it's all pass filters. But another request that I got was someone wanted me to add the abilities to filter the filters here and say like, hey, I'm looking for something with Butterworth. Oh, there's nothing there. I'm looking for something with Linkwitz-Riley. There's nothing there. I'm looking for something with all pass filters. Of course, they're all still there. So maybe I'll open up another alignment in a second and try to demo that better. Another small improvement is that I made the positive numbers blue. So if you just want to open this up real quick and see if there is an option here that is an actual improvement. So these numbers are showing you its calculated improvement amount against this other solution here. So a lot of times this is the best solution, but sometimes some of these filter suggestions can make a small or a large improvement. And so you might want to look at this real quick and see, hey, are there any actual options here that make an improvement? This one makes it a 2% improvement. So you say, hey, maybe I like this. Maybe it uses less delay. Maybe it doesn't have a polarity inversion. I don't like that. And you can move forward. So let's find another alignment to play with. So I'm going to go to my list of alignments. By the way, someone told me recently that this should be called history and not alignment. So I'll probably change that soon. It seems like no one knows that these are actually here, but you can go back and look through any of your past alignments. So I was using these two speakers at a workshop. Let's see what we come up with here. So there we go. So the recommendation is a polarity inversion and 9.64 milliseconds of delay. Let's see what we get with filters. So with filters, I accidentally hit the back button. Let's go forward and let's get back to that filter page. Okay, so we're on the filter page and I'm just scrolling to the right here. Okay, so now I can demo the search for you here. So you might be looking for something with Linkwitz-Riley, and just keep in mind that if you write out Linkwitz-Riley, it's not going to find it, but it uses the shortcut. I guess it's not really an acronym. It uses the shorter term LR for Linkwitz-Riley, and then I guess if you were looking for something with bezel, then you could filter the list like that. Okay, so what I wanted to see here, okay, so I wanted to show you that filter suggestion, and then I wanted to see, yes, we do have some solutions here that use less delay than the earlier recommendation, and I wanted to see, but we don't have anything that actually makes a big improvement. Now, these numbers here look really big, and that's because they're measuring like really minor changes against whatever is, the best solution that it could come up with against delay. So I won't go too much into that, but don't worry about how like hugely large the number is. If it is a blue number and it's a positive number, then it's actually making an improvement against whatever the solution is with just delay and polarity. And if it's a negative number, then it's not making an improvement. So I should probably just put a thumbs up or a thumbs down here instead of these big numbers, but sometimes it's nice to see how much better, how much worse, that kind of stuff. Okay, so I want to thank the people who sent me in suggestions to get these features going. I'm always trying to improve SubAligner, and if you're using it and you have any suggestions for me, please email me, nathan@sounddesignlive.com, or you can comment on this video, of course. All right, thanks a lot.